Good morning, growers. Quite a bit in weather to get to this week, so I'll be sending you several updates day in through the day. Here we go. So, rain at our doorstep, showers diminishing in intensity, and this is the more solid area of rain, trending toward the southeast and diminishing. And that's what the high resolution rapid refresh is forecasting also. So I guess the point is you might be surprised that you might get to noon and the clouds dry up and you're still plantable. So I wouldn't write today off just because the radar looks like that. So here's 11 o'clock and noon, and then it's done. I'll show you the totals from this high resolution rapid refresh, but probably a tenth of an inch or less, and maybe some spots only 500ths, and maybe some spots maybe just knock down the dust. Look at that in just a second here. And here it is. So here's the high resolution rapid refresh on what it accumulates on precip. Remember, it's weakening that area of rain toward noon, which it should do typically at this time of the year. And so it only does a few hundredths. I think this might be a little bit underdone, but it does give you the sense that things may still be a go for this afternoon. Okay, so here's your first area of rain that dives to the southeast. Then we go into overnight tonight and we stay dry. And we go to tomorrow, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 noon. Tomorrow is probably dry, but we do have a front laid across us where things can pop up. So that's why I say I'll probably have to do multiple updates for you in the day. This is Tuesday evening. It tries to develop a little patch of showers. And then Wednesday I'm watching because this is a warm front attached to the storm out here. And if that's a little farther south, then the clump of thunderstorms can develop along that. But right now, our northern sections would be in that clump of thunderstorms. So we have chances that could come in and kind of sneak up on us here this week as far as precipitation. This is that North American model as far as total precipitation through Wednesday. And you see the split down to the south, the split to the north. That's why I say just keep it rolling until you can't, because you might be surprised, and don't stop because you've seen some rain in the forecast. I'd gear up. I'd lean more toward you're going to probably get more done than you think you will. Now, the extended. Here's the next storm system. Wednesday, we're fully into the warm sector of the storm, so even if we get some rain, it'll dry up pretty good on Wednesday. And then this is by Thursday afternoon, we get into this slow-moving circulation with bands of showers and thunder showers around it. There's one Thursday, there's one on Saturday. I don't know that I like this. That looks a little suspect that far out when it blows up a big compact complex. So that might be an error right there. But point being is several shots of rain coming up about every 2 to 3 days. Not major ones, but not rains that you could say, well, that'll definitely miss us too. So things to dodge, and you always remind me that after you plant something, you like a shot of a quarter to a half inch of rain, and that definitely could be the case. Now let's go out. I'm sorry. Let me back up. This is the European total precip. So once we get through our rain today, and bear in mind, this little spot right here is what it's trying to do today and will be an error. So we're not talking a whole lot. We're talking quarter to a half inch. And as we go through next weekend, it starts to add up with that slower moving storm system, gets us up over a half inch. 10 days out, the European is forecasting somewhere between a half inch and an inch of rain for the next 10 days with some heavier areas around. So that's something we will definitely have to keep an eye on. But for now, I think the main message is the radar might look like you're going to get nothing done today, and you might be very surprised, especially as you go north and east in Tuscola County into Huron, into Sanilac County. You might be very surprised that you get almost nothing as far as rainfall. Same for tomorrow, same for Wednesday. You probably better just roll, roll, roll until the rain is right on you or something like that. All right, there's your weather update for this morning. I'm farmerweather.com meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Please spread the word of my videos and have your friends text me. I'll put them on the list. And the invoices are starting this week. I'm settled down now after the little bit of a vacation and Easter. So I'll be in contact with you. Take care.